So continuing on with the Soil Data Explorer tab here, you notice there's a series of sub-tabs here across the top. We've been looking at suitabilities and limitations. There's also soil properties and qualities. Under this tab here, you'll notice there's a soil chemical properties. So talking about calcium carbonate, the CEC, which we will talk about a little bit later on, which is basically a measure of how much nutrition that soil can hold. So you can actually get an estimation of nutrition holding capacity of a soil here. You've got estimation of pH. This is not a very useful estimation because depending on how you manage it may or may not be similar. There's also some other factors such as erosion, erodibility, how prone is it, what is the estimated soil loss, which is, if you're a farmer, you're interested in the T factor because that tells you what is my estimated soil loss, which impacts what kind of crops can I grow, and do I have to use no-till or can I take bales off, and those sorts of factors. Under the physical properties, water capacity, how much water does the soil hold that's available to my crop, and how much is it near the surface, how much is it further down. Bulk density is measured. You've got organic matter content, clay, sand, silt. And so you can see here there is a large amount of information that's available here just from this single website that can give you a good ballpark estimate of what kind of soil is there in a given area, and I haven't even stepped foot in the field yet. Some other information under the soil qualities and features area. You've got depth to restrictive layers, again bedrock. You've got parent material. Under here it will actually tell you what kind of parent material did each of these soils develop from. And the last one here is water features. Under this area here you can see depth to the water table, how likely is that area to flood, and how likely are you to see ponding after rain in a given area. And so if we click on this last one and we view rating, we'll see what we'll see when the map pops up here. All red, which indicates there's no rating. So this area here has not been rated for ponding. If it had been rated, what you would see is this area down in here is prone to ponding. This area here is not. And so what you'll notice at times as well is this website is not 100% complete. Not all the data here is necessarily there for your particular area, and so it is important to look before you just go ahead and assume that what you want is there.